The Yellow Crayon's Big Dream. Once upon a time, there was a yellow pastel crayon named Sunny. She lived in a big box with many other colorful crayons. Red was used for apples and hearts. Blue was used for the sky and water. Green was used for trees and grass. But Sunny had a problem. Every day, children picked her up and said, "I need yellow for the sun." Then they would draw the same round, bright sun in the corner of their papers. "I'm tired of being just a sun," Sunny cried one night. "I can do so many other things. Why don't they see that?" The other crayons looked at her with surprise. "But Sunny," said Blue, "you're perfect for the sun. It's important." "Yes," said Red, "the sun gives light and warmth. It's a beautiful job." "I know the sun is important," Sunny replied, "but I have other dreams too. I want to color flowers and butterflies and bananas and happy faces." The next morning, a little girl named Emma came to the art table. She reached for Sunny to draw her usual sun. But this time, Sunny decided to be brave. When Emma picked her up, Sunny very softly, "Try something new with me today." Emma felt something special. She looked at her white paper and thought for a moment. Then, instead of drawing a sun, she drew a beautiful yellow sunflower. "Wow," Emma said, "this yellow flower is so pretty." Emma continued drawing. She used Sunny to color a yellow bird, a bunch of bananas, a golden crown, and even a smiling yellow cat. "Look what I made," Emma showed her teacher. "Yellow isn't just for the sun. It can be for so many beautiful things." The teacher smiled. "You're absolutely right, Emma. Colors can be used in many creative ways." That day, other children saw Emma's artwork. They started using yellow crayons for different things too. Soon, yellow was coloring corn, lemons, stars, cheese, and golden hair. Sunny was so happy. She realized that being brave and speaking up for her dreams was worth it. She still colored suns sometimes, and she was proud of that too. But now she had the chance to be part of many different, wonderful pictures. From that day on, Sunny learned an important lesson. It's good to try new things and follow your dreams. And the children learned that creativity has no limits. You can use colors in any way that makes you happy. Be brave to try new things and follow your dreams. Creativity has no limits, and everyone has many talents waiting to be discovered.